Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add notes to your calendar on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Type in your password if you have any, then go to your calendar by tapping on the second option down below. And if you want to add notes to your calendar, select the relevant day and tap on add note in the middle of the screen. Here you can write a diary. Tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen, add medicine that you take daily. Here you can select whether it's a contraceptive medicine or other medicine. Here you can type in the name of it, start date, interval, duration, remind time and quantity, and then tap on the button save. You can also select your lifestyle, symptoms if you have any pain, then the mood, ovulation test, pregnancy test, breast self-exam test, and these other options if you want to indicate in your current note. So if you go back, you will be able to see that all of the information that you have added to the current or the relevant day has been saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.